Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be sharing with you an IKEA haul. So IKEA is a Swedish home furnishing brand. They also store some nice stationery items as well. So I want to share it with you what I have got from it. So firstly, I got this watercolor set from IKEA from the Mala range. They have some basic as well as other colors in it. They also have the skin tone color as well. So inside it, there are two water bowls and two brushes included in the set. One is for clean water and the other one is for cleaning the brushes. The brushes are nice and soft. So here are the swatches of all the colors as well as a little drawing which I had done. Next up are the stickers, which are my favorite. So I bought two sticker books. So first one is the one on my left. So this booklet has some floral stickers in it as well as some labels in it. There are a few sheets in here, so you get a couple of stickers in one book. So next one is this pink one over here. So it has some trees and fireworks in it, and here are the stickers up close. And it also has label stickers on the left, and it also contains a couple of sheets of the same design. So next I got these two scissors. So first one is the serrated edge wavy edge scissor. Next is the plain scissor, which is the normal scissor. I also bought these whiteboard markers on which are integrated into the duster. So here's the duster in it as well. So there are 4 colors in it, and we can easily write on the whiteboard or any slick surface and then wipe it off easily. Next are these pretty spoons which I had bought in different colors. So I bought these in pastel colors as well. So I bought these so that I can use it to pour some sequins on my projects. Next, I bought these tapes, which are the Nalgul tape range. These are the washi tapes. There are 4 in it in one pack, and these are in 4 colors. So first one is this green one over here. The next is this pattern one over here. Next is this pink one. And lastly, there is a yellow one included in the pack. So I'm going to swatch the tapes out for you. So here are all the swatches of the tapes. Next, I bought these bowls from IKEA as well. They come in different colors, and it's very handy to keep all your knickknacks in it. Next, I bought this a set of brushes. So there are a couple of brushes in it, and the brushes are really soft, and they are from the Mala range as well. So next, I bought these markers, which are also from the Mala range. These are the bullet tip markers, and they can be used for lettering and used for wide writing or wide lines, as well as narrow lines. They come in a bunch of colors as well. So let's try these out, and I'm going to do swatches for each of the color. So you can use these for lettering as well. So this was my haul video. I hope you've enjoyed it. You can comment down below which one is your favorite item. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below the video, and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.